Let's dive right and buckle up, because today, we've got 3 red-hot stories shaking the crypto world, packed with context, insights, and real talk that'll keep viewers hooked until the end. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. You're in the right place for market-moving updates. Bitcoin just grabbed bid liquidity after a slight dip, setting sights on $113,000. XRP's July uptrend is under threat as Bitcoin struggles at $120,000. And Nearest CEO raises a serious alarm. Bitcoin's quantum countdown has already begun. Let's unpack each one. Bitcoin slipped over 2% from its $120,000 peak as traders absorbed bid liquidity across the board. According to Cointelegraph and TradingView data, that dip triggered more than $517 million in cross-crypto liquidations in just 24 hours. Leverage was juicy, especially around the $117,500 zone, prompting leveraged traders to get squeezed. Classic liquidity grab. Trader Mitchell Van de Poppe noted it felt like a sweep of stops, not a genuine breakout. Many eyes are now on the 0.618 fib support around 113K, and analyst Crypto Virtuos projects a rebound to as high as $138,000 if that holds. Bitcoin hit an all-time high near $123,000 on July 14th. Since then, it's been consolidating between 116K-120K, with MACD hinting at bearish momentum. And while Bitcoin rests, altcoins see capital flow. Ether, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin are showing gains. This move matters for leveraged traders and long-term holders alike. A drop to $113,000 could provide a strategic accumulation zone, but if that breaks, broader volatility may spike, especially across frothy altcoin markets where open interest is hitting new highs. Conversely, holding the range could mean another leg up toward that $138,000 target. My analysis: this feels like healthy range compression after a huge rally. The $113,000 area is crucial. If buyers step in aggressively, BTC could break higher. If not, expect further consolidation or even a deeper correction. Risk management is key. Now turning to XRP. Its July uptrend has been breached as Bitcoin continues to stall right around $120,000. CoinDesk reports XRP recently broke its rising trendline from June, and daily MACD hints at bearish momentum. It's trading roughly between $3.35 and $3.65. But things are looking dicey as support levels wobble. Barron's notes XRP was down over 6% on Wednesday amid this broader dip in crypto. One analyst pointed out technical support could drop to $3, and unless bulls reclaim the uptrend line, short-term downside risk looms. Context: altcoins rallied strong as Bitcoin consolidated. XRP was up 23% week over week recently. But with BTC stuck, XRP is losing upward momentum. Impact: a sustained break below trendline could test $3 or even lower, wiping out recent gains. But stabilizing here could set up for another surge, particularly if XRP ETF talk heats up later this month. The backdrop: Ripple's tech integrations like Dubai tokenization remain bullish long-term, but the short-term charts demand caution. My take: XRP's situation underscores crypto's interconnectedness when Bitcoin stalls. Slight cracks in momentum ripple through altcoins. For XRP holders, now is a decision point. Hold the line or pare back until Bitcoin clears overhead resistance. Finally, existential alert: Bitcoin's quantum countdown has already begun. David Carvalho, CEO of Nearest Protocol and former hacker, warns the industry is dangerously unprepared for quantum computing threats. He says state actors and tech giants are already collecting encrypted blockchain data under a harvest now, decrypt later. Roughly 25-30 of Bitcoin sits in older address formats, which expose public keys to future quantum cracking. Context: current quantum tech can't break SHA to 5.6 or EXA yet, but breakthroughs could come suddenly. Ion-enhanced quantum attacks could stealthily crack wallets, siphoning coins without anyone noticing. Carvalho calls this a silent collapse. You won't see it until coins vanish. He also warns centralized cloud nodes and mining pools may become choke points vulnerable to attack. Impact. This could threaten Bitcoin's very security model. If quantum threats materialize, and especially if Harvest Now efforts succeed, some wallets could be at risk years later. The urgency to adopt quantum-resistant protocols like BIP360 is real. My analysis. Here's the hard truth. Crypto's future depends on its cryptographic resilience. If we ignore it, we build castles on sand. The community and developers must prioritize quantum-safe upgrades. It's no longer academic, it's foundational, bringing it all home. Bitcoin is doing what markets do best, testing liquidity zones and refining its structure. XRP is showing cracks, calling for disciplined play. And quantum threats? They're not science fiction. They're a ticking clock. Is your Bitcoin wallet ready for a quantum world? Can XRP bounce back? Or will Bitcoin breaking stretch further? What's your perspective on these moves? Comment below with your predictions and questions for our community. Don't forget, smash that like button if this unpacking helped you. Subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a crucial crypto update. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay sharp and stay ahead.